Hey, this is Trevor with SSV Works, and we're here at the SEMA Show 2019 to show you some of the new audio solutions we make for off-road and power sports. First off, excited to show you what we've done for the new Jeep. The new Jeeps have been super popular. This soundbar adapter is for JL Wranglers and JT Gladiators. It allows you to get rid of the small 4 and 3 inch speakers in the soundbar that don't sound great and put a proper full-size 6.5 inch speaker. Behind this adapter is actually a steel flange that gives support and the cut lines to be able to put the full-size speaker in there, and this molded adapter looks like it's factory right there. You can put a coaxial speaker in this, or you can come over here and, like we said, and put a component in it. We left enough room for the tweeter and actually give you a tweeter center point locator to be able to put the component system in there. A great adapter for a Jeep JL or JT Wrangler and Gladiator to be able to add full-size speakers and have full-size sound. Another exciting option we've done for the new Jeep JL 4-doors is the swivel mount cage pods. So what this allows you to do here is rotate the knob and flip them the other direction. So when you're out on the trails or hanging out on the Jeep, you can fire them backwards or flip them around and have them firing in the cab so you get even more sound inside the car. Simple plug and play, just either wire them in or add an amp with an aftermarket head unit, and you guys are ready to go. You can see on the picture here how we have them firing backwards. Gives you an idea of what it does. Last and super exciting is the new sub enclosure for JL 4-door. This bolts right into the factory driver's side compartment, and it is steel plate on the front so that all your gear, hitches, ropes, whatever you need for overlanding and camping is going to be protected from the sub enclosure. And also this grille looks stylized and protects the woofer as well. Tucks right into that compartment, sounds amazing, and lets you have flexibility of putting a full-size 10 in a Jeep. You can either add it to the factory system with Alpine, or if you don't have a Jeep with a sub, this gives you an option for that as well, and you can see installed here on this picture what it looks like. These new Jeep solutions are super hot, they're plug and play, and they're going to be a great option for anybody with 2 or 4-door JLs or JT Gladiators on the top, and of course 4-door Rubicons on the bottom. So thanks guys for watching. Check out Big 5 and get these parts loaded up.